So here we are in part 2 of city construction sets. Now this is the city, I believe it is, yeah, it's just named city construction. That's because this is a construction site. So I've already opened up the box, as you can see right here. I'm gonna lower down the camera. There we go. Filming this on my computer, by the way. That's good. Alright, let's open up the box here. Let's take a little out. So, that's all that it comes with. Alright. Well, comes with another little piece right here. I assume this is going to be attached right to the very base. Just this one right here. It's going to be attached somewhat like this. You get me? So I'm gonna get that out of here for now. We also have this one right here. Yeah, have that. It's like a little three-way. We have a base plate right here, and this time around the pegs are red, so that's interesting. We also have the second base plate. Have a little Oh, I see. This is cool. Look, it's like a little drill thing. I don't know the names of these things, but they're really awesome. Look, I know you hear screaming in the background, but that's just my neighbors. Don't worry about them. The thing actually moves. That's cool. It also comes with another little helicopter, like the other set. I have another one of these. The same size and everything. This one, these things weren't actually too hard to actually snip out of the thing, so that should be pretty easy. We also have this. It's a little interconnector, I believe. Maybe it goes together with the three-way right here. We also have the ramp, which I'm probably not going to be using. Oh, there's actually two ramps. So there's two ramps right here. Have a fresh set of stickers. And I have these things. You have the little path block off so you can't run out. And also have these little peg things so you can actually insert them in wherever there isn't a little peg going. So I'm thinking I'm either going to be using one of these ramps because I believe you can't connect them. So this is going to be interesting. I'm going to go ahead, build this whole thing, and we'll be right back. So, I've gone ahead, finished all in the assembling of the thing, put all the stickers on it. As you can see, it also came with a little sign here. So I'm gonna put that back on there. I know my voice sounded a lot more serious in the previous video, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that voice. We have these two little signs right here, and the rest is basically the exact same from the police set that I showed you guys in the other video. We have a stop sign, street light, or rather traffic light, I'm sorry, right here. I went ahead and googled an image of traffic lights, and it turns out that it's actually red, yellow, and green. Not green, yellow, and then red. So I definitely messed up on that part. We also have the little recycling sign. There's no minus behind it this time because I believe I put the little thing in here. I didn't. Must have bounced out or something. They'd have a little piece of circular cardboard with the minus sign. And we also have, what else haven't I mentioned? Right, the little cones, we have those right here. And we also have the little car, which in this case is a little drill machine. I knocked down the sign. So I'm going to place that back. And there's actually a three-way road. Let me lower the camera. Like that. No, it shows the thing. That's good. Okay. there's actually a little three-way right here. You can go into the thing or out to two ramps. Now I am going to eventually figure out if you can actually interconnect the sets. But for now, that still remains as a mystery. And I will cut in a clip of me actually trying it right about now. So future David editing, cut the clip into the video right now. Alright, here I am. I'm gonna test out if you can actually connect the sets together. So I'm gonna remove this ramp from the police set. I think you actually can. No way. When I have all the sets, I can build a city. Oh, that's amazing. This adds a bit harder to actually use because the roads split really easily. There we go. That's really cool to know. Wow. So you can connect them. Okay. That's awesome. And just to test my theory here, on here, goes really slow. But let's check it out on this one. I feel like there's a bit more of an incline. Yeah, it goes faster, I think. Let me get my police car. Yeah, the police van. Here we go. Gonna compare this here and you here. No, I didn't tell you to go yet. And 1, 2, 3, let go. Yeah, actually a lot faster. Now let's set them completely on the road. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. They went at about the same speed actually. But let's do a recap of that. 3, 2, 1. They went at about the same speed. Oh! Got stuck. What's the other one? Alright, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. They go at the same speed. So I was wrong about that. Interesting. Okay, Rod. Get out of there. Ah. Whew. Okay. That's good to know. You can interconnect sets. Wow. Yes, dude. This is perfect. Now I know that I can build a full-on city with all of this stuff once I have the full sets. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack all of this up. That was awesome. Alright, so yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, now I can do pretty good editing, so I didn't need to wait that much time for the thing to actually come in. We also have this little helicopter here, as usual. Now, I had a little accident with the helicopter sign. It freaking got damaged, dude. I freaking ripped it. And so my mom had to come up with a solution to it. And so she just put two little squares there. Square stickers. Also have the ramp. Now I am going to show you that the ramp thing is still functional here. Gonna send it down. 3, 2, 1. It still works. It's just that because of the little arm thing, I believe there's more components inside of the actual car, and so maybe they put it on the back of the actual car. I'm gonna try that out. I don't know, but it goes a lot slower than the police set. It may be because the incline is a bit less. Let me just compare quickly outside the camera. Yeah, I think the incline is a lot less. So that must be why the thing doesn't run as fast. Anyway, helipad. Frick. What was that? Anyway, had to move the thing because, anyway, helipad. And, yeah, I believe that's about it. So, I'm gonna go ahead, make the clip of me actually seeing if you can interconnect sets. And I guess, I'll be right back. Anyway, guys, I think that's where I'm going to leave the 2 sets for now. If I ever get another, then I guess I'll make another video. But for now, that's it. If I ever get another one of these sets, as I said, I'll make a video on it and post it. And probably link it in the description on a re-upload or something of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, it helps me out a lot. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get notified of whenever I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.